Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly hide a part of a photo you've just taken on WhatsApp web using your PC, thanks to the latest update. Whether you want to blur out sensitive information or just add a touch of privacy before sending an image, this new feature makes it simple and effective. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your preferred browser and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send the photo. Inside the chat, look for the plus icon, usually found near the message input area. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Camera. This will activate your computer's webcam, allowing you to take a live photo right from your browser. When you're ready, click the camera icon to snap your picture. Now, here's where the magic happens. After taking your photo, you'll see a preview of the image with several editing tools at the top or side of the screen. Look for the blur icon. It often looks like a droplet or a blurry rectangle. Click on the blur icon. Your cursor will change, allowing you to click and drag over the part of the photo you want to hide. You can adjust the size and position of the blur to make sure only the specific area you want is concealed. This is perfect for hiding faces, addresses, or any private detail you don't want others to see. Once you're satisfied with the blurred section, simply hit send. Your edited photo will be delivered to your contact with the hidden part safely blurred out, keeping your sensitive information private. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can protect your privacy and control what you share, all without leaving WhatsApp web. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using WhatsApp's latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.